Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to create channel on your Telegram. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Telegram app icon. After that, press on pen which shown below here. Click on new channel. Write channel name here. Let's write Linked Zone. Click on this icon to change image for your channel. Let's select this one. You can fit image by these tools below. Let's fit it like this. After that, press on OK icon. Now image changed. You can provide description here for your channel if you want. Let's write Tech is our life. After that, press on this icon. Here you will find channel type. First one, public channel. It means that channel can found in search, anyone can join them. And second one, private channel, can only be joined via an invited link. Let's make it public channel. Write public link here for your channel. Let's write here. After that, press OK. The next step is to add subscribers. Let's select this one. Also select this one. After that, press on this icon. Now your channel created. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to create channel on your Telegram. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.